June 14th, and this is The View with Catherine Chang. Today's topic is a Taiwan COVID vaccine to seek for EUA. Taiwan COVID vaccine Medigen applied for EUA after the promising phase 2 trial last Friday. If the trial is successful, the company's jab will become the first Taiwanese COVID-19 vaccines to reach the market. Here are some points. A, according to the Taiwan FDA, domestic COVID-19 vaccines must have a neutralizing antibody potency level equal to or higher than that of the AstraZeneca vaccines. B, Medigen said that it will begin the phase 3 clinical trials and apply with the European Medicine Agency. C, another Taiwan-based biopharmaceutical company, United Biomedical, might be blinded next week. D, if both Medigen and United Biomedical can really receive Taiwan's EUA, and Taiwan will get 10 million doses of vaccines. The Taiwanese government hopes that the domestic vaccines could become the second sacred mountain for Taiwan, just as TSMC does. Here are the top stories. Today we have 185 domestic cases. First, I want to talk about the G7 pushes back against China and supports Taiwan. G7 to call for peace across the Taiwan Strait in post-summit statement for the first time. We know that G7 leader communique point 60 say that we reiterate the importance of maintaining a free and open Indo-Pacific. We underscore the importance of peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait and encourage the peaceful resolution of cross-strait issues. Taiwan's MOFA expressed appreciations and said that gratitude to the G7 leader for underscoring the importance of peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait and encouraging the peaceful resolution of cross-strait issues. Such first-time support in a summit communique is welcomed by the government and people. On the other hand, China warns the G7 leaders small groups do not rule the world. U.S. President Joe Biden said that we are in a contest not with China per se, but with autocratic governments around the world in the rapidly changing 21st century. We know that according to BBC, rumors says that the U.S. President Joe Biden will unite the front against China and introduce infrastructures for developing countries to counter China's Belt and Road. Well, as to the COVID-19 vaccines in Taiwan, Taiwan's Medigen Vaccine say they generate good data. Well, Medigen Vaccine maker to apply an emergency use authorization, EUA, for its COVID-19 vaccines candidate after its phase 2 clinical trials show promising result. And also we know that President Tsai said that doses of domestic vaccines will start beginning the distribution and in July. And we can see that another good news for Taiwan is that Japan's Senate unanimously support Taiwan's entry to the WHO. The Senate passed a resolution calling on Taiwan to participate in the WHO convention. President Tsai appreciated and treated in Japanese. She said, "Thank you to the Japanese Senate for passing the resolution. Countries need to work together to achieve the goal of ending infectious disease. Taiwan is still in a difficult situation, but we are willing to make an active contribution." Well, in the end, I want to talk about a Hong Kong activist, Agnes Chow. Well, she was free from the prison on Hong Kong protest anniversary. We can see that Hong Kong democracy advocate Agnes Chow was released from jail on June 12th after serving more than 6 months. We know that there are 2,000 police officers have been placed on standby. Well, that will be the view for today. You can see that I'm wearing a mask because we have to do this to fight against the COVID-19. Let's work together. This is Catherine from Taipei, and I'll see you again tomorrow.